He always says it in most of the meets that we have, that it is just a one-line story. He's the greatest Shiva Bhakt, and that's the only story. But there's a lot of backstory to the entire film making. So that is what is being tried in this film. 100 days, 115 days in New Zealand is no small job. Going in the weather conditions and the chill weather, working there and being on time, even in New Zealand at 7 o'clock call sheet to 7 o'clock call sheet, not even 7:01. So we are all put so much of effort. The star cast, the huge star cast like right from Akshay Kumar, Kangana Ranaut, Kajal, Preeti, Mohan Babu sir, Mohanlal sir, Prabhas, and of course the talented Prabhudeva is right behind inside the entire film, and Mohan Babu, and so many other artists, Devaraj Avaru, a lot of people have worked in this film. A huge star cast. And the huge star cast has been well represented in the story. And the story about, basically it is about believe in God, a non-believer and believer. So that is the backstory of the entire thing. Who's a believer, who's a non-believer. You have to see it in the film because I'm not here to say the story. How we have shown the whole character. I'm really happy to have worked in this film. And Vishnu, as I saw him, is a transformed person when he comes on the set. Behind the scene, you saw the working, how they started working for this movie behind the scene. And Alage, even when it's the set, is so dedicated a person. And the dedication, hard work of all of us put together, and your blessings. I hope this movie becomes a movie which is being relished and enjoyed by the people pan-India, because all movies today are pan-India. Everybody, north, south, east, west, see movies, and OTT platform andide, alli nodbidtare. So I went somewhere near Nepal. Suddenly one guy came up and said, "Sir, can I take a picture with you?" So I said, "Have you seen my film?" "Yes sir, I saw. OTT platform alli picture nodide sir, chennagittu. Porthalli nodidanu helida." I said, "Oh, that means we are all reaching." So maybe it will also be in Hollywood. Everybody is watching, throughout the world they are watching, so we also become pan-world stars thanks to the technology. And I hope and wish the entire team and a movie to become a successful movie. First, the content should be good, and then the promotion should be good, and you are the backbone. When such a movie is made, the effort has to be brought out, and when you start writing, I'm not saying write positively straight away, it is for you to judge, and definitely we have done our best in this film. As every character, they have worked really hard. Definitely you can see it on the film, and I wish, and the movie and for Vishnu, because the Vishnu and Mohan Babu sir has done a huge film, a very huge film. We're not going to numbers. I'm not talking about numbers, how we're going to collect, but definitely it will collect the hearts of the people who watch Kannappa. Thank you.